Hi all, today we're going to be talking about how to upsell and cross-sell products within your application. In this case study, we'll be looking at a company from the e-commerce vertical. So here's the situation. One of the fastest growing retail companies wanted to increase the customer lifetime value by promoting relevant products to encourage more purchases within the application. The goal set by the marketing team was to increase the average cart value of a user and also repeat purchases. So here's the challenge. The marketing team had designed a 30-day journey for some of their most popular and high margin products. Users who bought certain select products would automatically qualify for this marketing campaign, which will send emails, text messages, and push notifications every third day with the recommended product information. The results from these communication campaigns were not satisfactory. Here's how Upshot provided the marketing team with the solution. The customer success team at Upshot.ai worked with the marketing team to design a new experiment, which was to package the recommended product as a 10-second GIF video and show it to all the users within their app. The team provided Upshot with the recommended product images, which were then converted into beautiful looking GIFs by the Upshot's design team. When the users opened the app, they were shown a small 10-second video that displayed the product, its benefits and features. And the video ended with two call to action buttons, namely buy now and not for me. The results we saw from this campaign were significant. 37% of users that were targeted bought the product after watching the video. The actions used in this case study were push notifications and video tutorials. Are you looking to upsell and cross-sell products within your application? Feel free to connect with us now. Thanks for watching.